I was called into a car shop to complete a ceramic coating for them, and I thought I would take you guys along with me to show you some of the process. I'll be linking the products down below as well if you want to check them out after the video. If you see my videos before, you know we're starting with the tires, PNS Hot Shot degreaser, and brake buster to start cleaning them up and decontaminating. And after I apply those, I always hit it with my IK Foam Pro just to prevent them from drying while I clean. We're going to go ahead and put that tire brush to work to start cleaning those tire walls, followed by a barrel brush just to get inside the rims. After blasting these off, we're going to go ahead and move on to the paint. This one had bugs, so I'm using Bug Off from PNS again, along with a soft bug sponge. After completing a pre-rinse, I'm going to go ahead and move to the contact wash, where I will use a wash mitt, rinse, and then use a clay bar or mitt after that as well. After rinsing, I'm going to start applying the iron remover, which will help take care of any brake dust particles that weren't removed with a wash. This is definitely important even on new vehicles. As you can see, I'll be applying on the paint and the rims, and in the next clip you'll see the purple runs down the paint. That's indicating that the chemical is reacting with the iron particles, and that's what we want to see. After inspecting the paint, we will just be completing a one-step polish on this. I'm using the Rupes LHR 15 Mark III machine with Rupes DA Fine Polish. And then we're just going to finish off these rims as well in a moment with Geon Q2 tire protectant just to add a little pop to the tires. We are applying G-Technic Crystal Serum Light. As you can see in a moment, it will be breaking up and beading. That's just indicating that the coating has bonded and is ready to level off. We're going to go ahead and do a final walk around for the results. Subscribe for daily detailing content, and comment below if you have questions or want to see some more specific detailing or business related content.